The form and shape has a profound effect on the mind. In yoga, there is the science of yantra, a special graphic design. You look on it and it affects your mind, it influences the mind. So that's why everything we see, it emanates a certain energy. And some energy can be positive, some energy can be also negative effect on us. So generally, even human beings, the person who is with a very, very elevated state of mind and very, very high emotions, if you look at that person, it also elevates your mind. Or in the nature, if you're in the nature, all the things are so, they're created by nature, they're so perfect in a way. So when you look, it's the energy that you receive is very uplifting, very elevating. And also in yoga, there is entire chapter, entire science of the yantra, of graphic design that elevates the mind.